In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a tag on ConvertKit. Whether you're cleaning up old tags or organizing your subscriber list, this process is quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in with your account credentials or register if you're new. Once you're logged in, you land on your dashboard. Next, click on the Grow tab at the top of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Subscribers. This is where all your subscribers and tags are managed. On the right-hand sidebar, scroll through your tags until you find the one you want to delete. Click on it to filter your subscribers and make sure it's the correct tag. At the top of the filtered subscriber list, you'll see an edit link next to the tag name. Click it and a window will appear with tag options. Here, select Delete Tag. The system will ask you to confirm your decision. Remember, deleting a tag is permanent and cannot be undone, so double check before confirming. Once confirmed, the tag will be removed from your account, and that's it. Your ConvertKit tag is now deleted, helping you keep your subscriber list organized and your email marketing more efficient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.